Page 7, number 7. This is going to be the most complicated one you have. This uses all three of the notes that you've learned. Okay? You need to really pay attention to the line or space the note is on. G is on the second line. A is on the second space. B is on the third line. First thing I want you to do is count the rhythm for number 7. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember your quarter rests. Don't skip over them. Now do the same thing, except this time say the names of the notes and do the fingerings as you say the name. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B, A, G, A, B, A, G, A, B, B, A, G. Now, just like when you're reading in a book, you should be looking ahead a little tiny bit so you can be ready for the word that's coming up next or the note that's coming up next. Let's put all of it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, odds are you made some mistakes. There is nothing wrong with that. The problem is not with making the mistakes. The problem is not correcting the mistakes. Rewind this and play this over and over and over and over again until you don't have any mistakes. That's it.